Imagining pressing the power button and your computer is ready before you even sip your coffee? That's the magic of SSDs. But here is the big question. Does adding more SSDs make your computer faster, or is one enough? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are talking about SSDs, solid-state drives, and why they are one of the best upgrades you can make for your PC or laptop. Let's get started. Why SSDs are faster. Traditional hard drives are spinning magnetic platers and a moving arm to read and write data. It's like a record player, mechanical, slow, and prone to wear. SSDs, on the other hand, use flash memory. No moving parts, just instant access. That's why they feel lightning fast. Boot times shrink dramatically. Instead of waiting minutes for your PC to start, an SSD can get you to the desktop in seconds. Applications and files open almost instantly. Thinking of launching Photoshop, a game, or even a browser, it's ready almost immediately. Multitasking becomes smoother. You can switch between apps without lag because SSDs handle multiple requests at once. And durability matters too. Drop a laptop with an HDD and you risk damaging the drive. SSDs are far more shock resistant. Does having more SSDs make you faster? Adding more SSDs doesn't automatically make your computer faster. What matters is the type of SSD and how you use it. A larger SSD helps if your current drive is nearly full. Drives slow down when packed, so more space keeps performance consistent. Multiple SSDs can be useful. For example, keep your operating system on one SSD for fast boot times and store games or large files on another. That way, you get speed plus organization. You can use one SSD for editing software, another for project files. This avoids bottlenecks and keeps workflows smooth. Advanced setups like RAID can combine SSDs for speed or redundancy. RAID 0 stripes data across drives for faster performance. But it's risky because one drive failure means losing everything. RAID 1 mirrors data for safety but doesn't boost speed. Type of SSDs matter more than quantity. Not all SSDs are created equal. SATA SSDs are much faster than HDDs, but they are limited by the SATA connection. NVMe SSDs are the real game changers. They use PCIe lanes directly, offering speed several times faster than SATA. That's where you see massive gains in gaming, video editing, or data-heavy workloads. But before you opt for NVMe SSDs, make sure your device updates. Older devices may have compatibility issues with NVMe as they don't have the necessary connections to utilize the NVMe PCIe sockets. You can make your computer system boot faster by installing the operating system on an SSD. It should provide you greater speed improvements with an NVMe SSD. So remember, it's not about how many SSDs you have, but which type you are using. One NVMe SSD can outperform multiple SATA SSDs. And that's it. That was all about adding more SSDs for speed. In most cases, extra drives mean more storage, not faster performance, unless you are using advanced setups like RAID. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next video.